Coding with AI is very bad. Come on, I'm just kidding. Most developers are using AI the wrong way and it is going to cost them. Right now, everyone is vibe coding, prompting AI to write entire apps without understanding a single line. It feels fast, yes, it looks impressive. But the moment something breaks, they are stuck. They can't debug what they didn't write, and they also can't improve what they don't understand. That was not a developer, that's a copy-paste machine. Here is how to actually win with AI. Use it for repetitive tasks that you do over and over again. Use it to debug and ensure you don't just copy but also understand the fix. Also, you can use it for documentation. Let it handle the comments while you deal with the logic. The developer who wins is the one that uses AI as a tool and not a brain replacement. These are the developers that will be irreplaceable in the next 5 years. They are the ones who understand and use AI deeply to execute faster. If you enjoyed this video, please like and ensure to subscribe for more videos like this.